Hello guys, my name is AlexTheGrumpyOne and I've decided to do a video on the review of my new workbench. As you can see here, this is the 6-foot workbench that I got myself from Arbor Solutions. You might have seen the video that I've done previous on a folding portable workbench that I got from them. So it's the same company, they had my stuff. So I really like the other one, so I've decided to look up something a bit more heavy duty. Mind you, the other one is quite good, but I need something slightly bigger and that I can put all my tools on. And this looks awesome. I mean, as you can see, it fits so well in my workshop. So I've just decided to do a quick review and just let you know what my experience was this and how good the company is. And like I said, I definitely recommend them. So yeah, I just want to talk about a few things about this workbench and see if this will be helpful for you. So let's have a look at what we get with this. Right guys, so I want to start with the pegboard, which is part of this obviously kit. It's a pegboard with 46 pieces that you get with it, which I think is really handy. I already put some of my tools on there, but obviously you can change it however you want it, personalize it as much as you can. And also for me, it's handy because I mean, it makes it look so tidy and organized that when I open my doors and the lights come on, this just looks awesome and it just wants to make me work even more. And having this board, obviously it's wood, so I'm going to install a few LED lights at the top. I know I already got them, but I'm going to just personalize it a little bit, put each LED unit on the side. And I'm also going to put some extension sockets on the sides as well, so I can plug in my tools, charge them as well, and maybe plug in the laptop and all my diagnostic stuff. So like I said, this is really handy thing to have, but you can choose the one without it if that's something that you're not interested in. So like I said, on their website there's plenty of choice, or you just give them a call or email them and the team is great. They will offer you the best option for you. So yeah, the other thing I would say while we're here is, for me, really love this top. So the stuff I'm going to be working on might get it dirty or chip it, so I'm probably going to get myself a protective sheet on here, either metal or plastic or something like that, because I really don't want to damage this. Just me, but anyway, so that's something I'm going to do as well. So that's the first option you got. It starts from there. Right guys, so the other thing is, obviously this is the 6-foot one. You can get the 4-foot one. There's a lot of different options there. So like I said, I recommend going on the website and have a look. So I've chosen the 6-foot one. The next choice you got is the type of wood, because they do 3 different types. Treated ones as well, depends what you're going to need it for. And next option you got is the shelves. So you can get the double shelf, which is what I got. I mean, there's plenty of space there. I can put all my tools in there and all the gear at the bottom as well, which I think there's plenty of space, to be honest, and it takes it because, like I say, it's good strong wood. And the other thing you can choose is with the wheels or without the wheels. So like I say, for me it's handier with the wheels because I'm going to be maybe moving it in the future, because it is quite heavy, to be honest, once everything's on there. The only difference it makes is with the wheels, you can only put about 400 kilos on it, and without the wheels it should support up to 850, which is still plenty. 500 is quite a lot. The wheels are good, it's moving perfectly, and you also got stop on all 4 of them, which is really handy. So once it's there, and it don't really move, as you can see. So I think that's good. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and that this will help you make your mind up on what you're going to get. So like I said, for me, I really appreciate the fact that Arbor Solution does this handmade stuff in England, which for me gives it quite a lot of extra value, to be honest. So the quality is great. I mean, I think I covered everything. If there's anything else you want to know, just give them a call and have a look at their website, as they do a lot of stuff, not just for the workshop, even for the outside and etc. So I definitely recommend having a look at their website and find what you need. So yeah guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe, like my video and comment below to let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching this and have a good day. Bye.